So this is Rocky Bluff Trail. This one's more popular than the other place. I don't know why there was nobody at the other place at Red Cedar Falls. This requires a vehicle decal as such. The decal is about $20 a year, and then if you want to add another $5, you can put it on a boat or kayak. You can already tell that it's already flowing. So this should be flowing really good. Yeah, there's the fee schedule, the fee prices. You can get a $2 for a day pass. And that's the trail. This is a pretty cool trail. This is National Wildlife Refuge, which is Department of Interior, the National Park Service. Their trails are a little different than the National Forest trails. It's a very short hike. You can see kind of the top right there. And it goes over the edge. Little stair steps carved in. Long way down. Got these little crevices that go in between. It's been a while since I've been on this one. Actually, not too long though. Little step carved in that. Hope I don't slip and bust my butt. Yeah, I grunt and groan. Little preview already. The whole bluff is dripping, just like the last location. That simple. 2 minutes to get to this. And dripping on my phone. Last time I had drips, it turned my camera off. Oh, look at that. There's little stairs. Goes to the bottom, and you can get to the bottom, but look, it's all flooded. But that's it. The trail does go for about 2 miles a loop. There's a lot more to see, but I'm just looking for waterfalls today.